Hello friends, today we'll study about the preparation of phenols. During the last videos, we studied the preparation of alcohol. Now we'll study the preparation of phenol. So, phenol was initially prepared from coal tar, but nowadays we can prepare phenols in lab also. So, we will prepare phenol from benzene derivatives in four ways. We'll use four ways. Now, the first way is from the haloarenes. So, this is a haloarene, this is a chlorobenzene. So, this is a haloarene, and we are fusing it with sodium hydroxide, and the temperature is 623 Kelvin, and the atmospheric pressure is 300 atm. So, when we do this to the haloarene, we are getting the product sodium phenoxide. So, this is sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Now, when we are adding acid to it, we are adding HCl, then what we get? We get phenol as our product. So, this is how we prepare the phenol from haloarene. Now, next we will see the preparation from benzene sulfonic acid. So, how we will prepare from the benzene sulfonic acid. So, from benzene sulfonic acid, first we need to prepare benzene sulfonic acid. So, how do we prepare it? We take benzene and we add oleum. So, what is oleum? It is H2S2O7. H2S2O7. So, this is the chemical formula for oleum. When we add this to the benzene, then we get benzene sulfonic acid. So, this is the benzene sulfonic acid when SO3H group is attached to benzene. Then we add when we add sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, then we get sodium phenoxide. Here ONA group will come in the place of SO3H. Then the second step will be to add the acid H plus, and we will get then phenol. So, this was the preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. So, this was the second way to prepare phenol. Now, third way is to prepare the phenol from diazonium salts. So, how do we prepare from diazonium salts? Let us see that. So, from diazonium salt, how do we prepare phenol? So, first we are preparing the benzene diazonium chloride. So, for that we need aniline. Aniline is what? When amine group is attached to benzene group. So, when we add nitrous acid, and that nitrous acid is prepared from NaNO2 and HCl. When they are added, nitrous acid is produced, and it is produced in the presence of at the temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin. So, we will get the benzene diazonium chloride, that is benzene group is attached to N2Cl group. Then, so this is the diazonium salt. Now, when we add water to it and heat it, then we get phenol, and the byproduct produced are nitrogen and HCl. Now, we'll move on to next method, that is the last method. We will prepare phenol from cumin. So, the last method is to prepare the phenol from cumin. So, what is cumin? Cumin is isopropyl benzene. So, this is isopropyl benzene. When we add oxygen or air, then we get cumin hydroperoxide. So, this is cumin hydroperoxide, and when we hydrolyze it, then we get phenol and also the acetone. And acetone is produced in great amount in this method. So this method can be used to prepare phenol as well as acetone. So this was about the preparation of phenol. So it was a short topic. We discussed the 4 methods to prepare the phenol, and all of them included the benzene derivatives. So I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.